Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to create and customize a website on Ecwid for sports memorabilia business easy and quick. So as we know, Ecwid is a tool that helps people make online stores. It's like a special computer program that lets you sell things on the internet. It's easy to use and can be added to websites or social media pages. So if you wanna sell things online, Ecwid can help you do it without too much trouble. So the first thing here, you have to sign up free. So let's get started. So as you see here, it will take you to the dashboard. Okay, wait a few seconds. So as you see here, this is the dashboard. Here we're gonna set up your website and storefront. So as you see here, set up your website and storefront. Click on it. It will take you to the editor page. Here we're gonna set up and design your home page. So click on the settings, go to the templates and select the templates which you want to use here for sports memorabilia. Okay, I think I'm gonna find it here. Okay, if it isn't here, you can just choose a random one like this one here. So this is depends on your business. Okay, so the first thing here, you have to change everything in this templates. It depends on your business and on your product. So first you have to start with the header in the menu. Enter here your company name. Okay, just like this is just for example. Okay, so you can type your store name as you like. Here the navigation menu, you have to manage the navigation menu. You have to add the menu item. Okay, and the design here of any section, you have to try your best to make your site looks attractive, to pull more people, more customers to your site. So make sure, don't forget the simple details like the font and like the size and the color. All this simple stuff is important. All this simple details important to make your site looks attractive. Okay, so that's it. Now let's go back. Let's move on to the cover and the headline section. So here you have to add the tagline, your site title, and here the description. Also you can, for example, introduce your business to your customers. Welcome to our site for sports memorabilia business. Okay, just simply like this. Or if you wanna just if you don't wanna type business, you can just type until this. After this, you have if you want to change the image, go to the browser and search on sports memorabilia. Okay, and go to the image and select here the image. So for example, it's just a simple image. Okay, I'm gonna choose this one here, okay, as an example. So go back the okay, so after this, go here to the design and select your favorite layout, and don't forget to change the description, the size and the font. Okay, so that's it. Now let's go back. Let's move on to the next section, the store section. So here you have to create your product. So to create your product, you have to go here and click add your products or services. Okay, now go on your product. Here you have to add your products gallery, the name of your product, the REF, the weight on kilogram. Also here you can customize the prices options. Okay, and you can enter here, type your description of the product. So after you're done from this place here, just save this place and go back to the editor and complete here the design, the background and the title, the product name, the product image and the price. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next section. Also here the same thing as normal, you have to add the title and you have to add the subtitle. Here in this description you can use this space to talk about your products, some informations about your company, some little details, so you can tell your customers something about you. Why should your customers buy from you or use your services? And in the design, you can choose your favorite color in the background, and also the font. Okay, so let's go back, let's move on. The next section, the image section. So as you see here, you can add the tagline, the title, and an attractive description that matches the title. After this, you have to change the image, so just from here or from your library, um, something like this one. Okay, so after this, go and choose your favorite design. That's it, just simply like this. Now let's move on to the next section, the customer reviews. Okay, so here you have to enter, you can use this title here, customer reviews. You have to enter, delete this reviews here, and add your review texts, the author name and the rating, and choose your favorite layout design here. So that's it. Let's go back, let's move on now to the delivery information. So the same thing as normal, nothing special here. So you have to change the description and the subtitle and the title, the design. So same thing as normal. Now let's move on to the contacts. So after you add the title and the description, you have to enter here, you have to change the image. Okay, so you have to change the image, and you can enter here your business address. You can enter the exact postal address or plus code. You have to enter the daily hours, and enter the contact information and the social profiles. Okay, so in the design, for me, I rather to choose this one here of the map in the background. So here you can zoom you can scroll to zoom the map and find your location here. Okay, that's it. Let's go back. The last section here, the footer section. So you can just enter here your company name for the copyright, and that's it. If you want to add something new, you can just add section. You can select what kind of sections you want to add on your homepage. So now, before you publish your website, you can go to the preview and verify if this homepage needs something to design or add something on your homepage. So after you verify, you can just publish it. Now you can start selling, you can start your business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.